the whole Adobe subscription-based model that they're moving towards. Honestly, I gotta say, more I've been thinking about it the last week or so, I'm actually pretty for this. The reason is, when I got started with the Creative Cloud about a year ago, I thought Creative Cloud was an awesome option because it was a way for people who couldn't afford to pay outright for these programs to start using them just on a per monthly payment basis and get used to the programs and then save up money and then buy them, which is why I started using it. So then recently with their move to subscription based, a lot of people were upset saying, no, I want to be able to own my software forever. Honestly, that's what I thought as well. So I don't want my purchases to be temporary. I want to be able to own my copy forever. But the more I think about this is actually, I think, the way that things are just going to be going from now on with software. I think that Adobe is just the first company to make this big move because companies have to combat piracy. It's a lot easier for people to sign up for a monthly subscription. And in the long run, I don't think it's going to cost any more or less than just paying outright for the programs. You're going to get upgrades as soon as they happen. And honestly, if you ever want to stop using the program, you can. And if you ever want to pick it back up, you can just subscribe again and get your programs back and start working again. A lot of people have said that one issue is that if you ever stop using the programs and the project files that you have, well, they're useless, so you can't archive your stuff forever. Once they've paid a certain amount, once you've reached a certain tier, then you get some sort of standalone software product that you can then properly archive your project files and have that security, or something along those lines. So it's not a perfect model, but I think it's the right move, and I think that Adobe's smart to be moving this way. So, I don't know, those are my thoughts on it. I think that other companies are going to follow suit. I'm going to keep with my subscription-based Creative Cloud right now because I like being able to have access to the full suite for a low payment each month. And really, it kind of works better than my gym did. Yeah, I suck at endings.